Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is API Aquarium Water Test Kit. This is among the most well-known test kit brands available. The company has been serving aquarists for more than 30 years and continues to produce high-quality products to help maintain your underwater habitat. This kit utilizes colorimetric testing. However, it's a fluid-based test which requires the gathering of specimens. In the kit, you're receiving 4 glass vials, as well as 7 bottles of liquid testing reagent. The reagents serve to test some of the most vital parameters of freshwater aquariums in the water. They are pH, high range ammonia, nitrites and nitrates. The process of testing is fairly easy. API does an excellent job of making the system extremely reliable. The entire kit is color-coded to make it easy. Additionally, the reagent bottles are drip style, which makes it simple to obtain precise measurements. Our second best water test kit for aquarium is SJ Wave Aquarium Test Strip Kit. Simple, quick, and stress-free, this kit makes it simple to keep track of tank conditions for a long time. Another kit based on strips that is equipped with several useful accessories. The strips themselves are equipped with 6 test panels that are colorimetric. The panels test the levels of chlorine, pH, general hardness, carbonate hardness, nitrate levels, and nitrite levels. 6 tests are contained in one handy strip. It also comes with an easy-to-use test tube. It is possible to dip the strips directly into the tank. However, taking a sample using the tube could give more reliable results for the time being. The tube is large enough to cover all of the strip. It also comes with a basic thermometer. It's not a sophisticated digital thermometer. However, it does give accurate temperatures at a glance. Put it to the outside of the glass aquarium. This testing kit will cover all the requirements. It's not as thorough like other test kits, however it does provide precise readings of the most important parameters. Third choice in our list is AquaCare Pro Aquarium Test Strip. This kit allows you to test your knowledge. The kit contains enough strips to cover 1 year of testing. Additional strips are included into the mix as well. This is a 6-in-1 test kit, which uses strips to give information. The strips are kept inside a compact, sealed container. The container is transparent and airtight, reducing the risk of humidity or light damage. Perfect for freshwater tanks as well as aquariums. The test strips give results in just 60 minutes. The 6 panels that comprise each strip test carbonate hardness, pH, nitrate levels, chlorine levels along with nitrites along with general water hardness. The strips are very well designed. If you put them flat on the table and watch the color change, bleeding and inaccurate readings should not be a problem. The color chart that is printed on the bottle to make it easier. The chart is laid out as the strips and allows you to set your strip on top of the bottle to make it easy to compare. Number 4 in our side is J&W Accurate Tank Test Strips. If you're looking for a bit more test complexity, the strips by J&W Direct have you covered. The strips are astonishingly precise. Similar to other tests based on strips using colorimetric data, they are also colorimetric tests. The chart, displayed on bottles, is extremely precise and covers the majority of the possible colors. This is great for quick use and less confusion. The test kits are able to test for 9 different parameters. These include general toughness and chlorine levels, nitrites, carbonate hardness, nitrates, total alkalinity and pH levels, copper and iron. These 2 are extremely beneficial if you're looking after inverts. Each strip comes with all 9 test panels, which means that getting all that data is easy. J&W Direct also has a useful smartphone application, which is a great addition. In the app you can keep track of your outcomes and keep track of the condition of your tank. It's a fantastic instrument for maintaining your tank over the long term and helps determine issues that require attention. Last in our top 5 best water test kit for aquarium list is Tetra Easy Strips Aquarium Test Kit. If you're looking for an easy alternative to liquid testing, the kit made by Tetra could be a good choice. It's interesting that this kit tests different parameters in addition to the API one. It is able to measure the pH of your water, chlorine levels, ammonia levels, nitrites, the hardness of nitrates and alkalinity. Tetra has included all of these tests on one convenient strip. After submerging the strip in your aquarium water, the results can be seen in as little as 60 minutes. Following that, you'll be able to examine the color of the chart included and find the data you're looking for. One thing we love in these tests is their layout. The different pads for testing don't sit over one another as they do with other products available. This means there's less concern about bleeding or cross-contamination. The Tetra kit provides a true and simple choice for aquarists. It is suitable for saltwater and freshwater tanks. Additionally, it is easy to use and easily cleaned for ease of use. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.